Allow any adjustments that you make in the shape to serve the needs of your practice, your body, your breath, your heart, your spirit. Deepening your awareness, your attention, your experience of yourself. And take a deep breath, inhaling here. Exhaling, drawing your knees back in toward your chest. And take a moment after that long twist to rock a little bit from side to side. Bringing your attention and your awareness to the action of massaging the low back. And then where we began this part of the practice, we were laying down in a happy baby pose. Bring yourself to that again. Bending the knees, dropping the feet off to the sides. Noticing the qualities of this shape. As we come closer to entering the space of Shavasana, we're taking these opportunities within the luxury of time to observe the experience, the effects, the breath, and the body. And then from happy baby pose, go ahead and extend your legs out to a straddle on your back, similar to how we were in the seated straddle. You can hold anywhere on your legs. So you can hold the thighs, you can hold the calves, you can hold the feet. You can drop the legs a little further away from each other. You can use the hands to support the legs. Feeling the spine dropping down into the mat. So I have a slightly different experience in this part of the practice, this part of the completion, being in a straddle shape. So we're bringing our practice in a way into a full circle of employing the luxury of time in such a way that we're cultivating awareness, ease, suppleness, space, room for breath. And then go ahead and bend your knees. Maybe you just take a moment and rotate the ankles, the feet, even the wrists, the hands, and then the other direction. And drawing the knees in toward the chest. Go ahead and take one leg out and the other leg out. Adjust whatever needs adjusting. Make sure the blanket is supporting you in a way that feels comforting. And allow the feet to drop away from each other. And before you move into the stillness of Shavasana, take a moment and just, with ease, drop the head from one side to the other, feeling the hinge of the jaw relax. And then bring your head back to center. Feel the weight of your head dropping down into the blanket, the mat, the floor, the earth beneath you. Your hands can rest on your body, or your hands can rest on the earth. Your legs can drop away from each other. And you might exaggerate your breath or take a sigh or a yawn or some relief, some release, some ease. And allow yourself the luxury of Shavasana, allowing yourself this moment where there is nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you have to do, where this time is the time to support rejuvenation, revitalization, restoration, in the luxury of practice. Knowing it's okay for the mind to wander in Shavasana, to enter the luxury of daydreaming. The spaciousness of your experience of this moment. Allowing yourself the time for a long Shavasana. The time for the breath. The time for your body, for all aspects of your body, to continue to make adjustments and micro adjustments, to continue to shift and release.